nut.
Do I need to buy a new wheel bearing?
No, I don't think the wheel bearing is wrong. I mean,
I think it's it's just that CV axle is broken, right?
It's not broken, it's just leaking.
It's just, well, leaking, pues, yeah. Yep. That's the sound I've been hearing all the time. Yep. Look at my new coilovers are being installed into the Corolla. My mechanic right here.
No, beating up, bro. Check it out. Look at that shit. Look how old. Look, even the end link is all shot out. That shit.
This is the old.
How many years on this?
Damn. Since 2000, I guess when the car was built in 2004, I was assuming, because when I got this car it was in 2005. So when this car, when Toyota.
Look at the end links. Look how it's shot out there. This one's gonna have no grease no more. Look at this one. This one's all loose. Usually I run through issues with these, that the whole thing spins, the whole stud spins. Luckily it came out easy. Hopefully it's the same procedure with this side. Because if it's not, it's just gonna be a bitch.
Well, all we have to do is cross our fingers and pray to God that it comes out easy. Now, these wheels, I have them since 2006 when I got them a long time ago. I got these wheels since 2006. Remember when I got them from, and they're old already? I mean, I like the way they look, but it's time to an upgrade now.
This is garbage right here. Dump this somewhere. All right. Not for the right side.
It's time to bring this car to life. We gotta fix this one and then the matrix. Look at my new shocks, baby. This is what I'm talking about. Yep, so I have to buy new axles. It'll cost like 80 bucks, baby. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna order it online from AutoZone because I get 20% off.
Okay.
And that's what I'm gonna do. And then
my motor mount is shot on this side. I need to replace it.
Oh, okay.
This one of mine is shot.
Didn't I buy that one already?
Mine.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. I had these wheels since 2006. And I like them and all, but it's time for a new upgrade. And yeah. This is my brother's matrix. You should work a Toyota dealership, dude. You'll be perfect.
Yo, look at this fender. Remember I replaced it? Look at Look at how it's shot out again. Look how close it comes to the freaking motor for the windshield wiper. Just need to zip tie that shit. As a matter of fact, give me. Where you at, bro?
Huh? Now we're doing the back side.
recording, Jay.
Recording.
I'm recording, Mama. I know I'm fucking anxious and frustrated with this, bro. Watch out, bro. What are you doing? Wait, you keep a check for the everything, bro. You can laying me, Jay. Nut.
Do I need to buy a new wheel bearing?
No, I don't think the wheel bearing is wrong. I mean,
I think it's it's just that CV axle is broken, right?
it's not broken, it's just leaking.
It's just leaking, pues. Yeah. Yep. That's the sound I've been hearing all the time. Yep. Look at my new coilovers are being installed into the Corolla. My mechanic right here.
No, beat it up, bro. Check it out. Look at that shit. Look how old. Look, even the end link is all shot out. That shit.
This is the old.
How many years on this?
Damn. Since 2000. Huh? You should work a Toyota dealership, dude. You'll be perfect.
Yo, look at this fender. Remember I replaced it? Look
Yeah.
at how it's shot out again. Look how close it comes to the freaking motor for the windshield wiper. Just need to zip tie that shit. As a matter of fact, give me.
So what he did right here, he painted my drum brakes black, which is perfect. We're doing the tire rotation.
Fuck. Yo, bro, give me a hand with the tool. I just
These are the old. Look how old the rubbery bushing is gone. You turn into rings, dude. Looks like onion rings or some sort of. Damn, this is gone. This is the old ones. They're not gonna fit, dude. They're too huge. Look how low it is, dude.
It feels low.
Nice. Hey, come out and put your foot on the wheel again and see if your shoe fits.
Usually there's nothing I left behind, huh?
Yeah. Wait. See? Turn it out. Wait. How does it feel?
A little bumpy, a little hard.
Much better than before?
Yeah, she goes. I feel like I'm freaking getting up on the floor. I have it to hard settings, so.
Look how low it is. I can't even put my shoes no more.
It's kind of like rubbing right there, buddy.
Ah, perfect.
Can you rub a little bit? I'm gonna try to raise it up. It costs some more rubbing. I'm gonna have to raise it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So now the car is low, huh? After 16 years or 17 years, the car finally got.
2 inches.
When I go back to 2 inches?
Yeah, probably not right now, but yeah, because it looks like it's rubbing.
Rubbing.
Let me get my stuff out. The key. Yeah, but I don't know, my car.
And this is his car. His car is also low.
So I got a car coming over here.
Hey, it used to be high. It used to be to my waist. Now it's low. Now we're doing the
Jay, come on.
back side.
What are you doing, Jay?
Recording.
I'm recording, bro. I'm not fucking anxious. I'm frustrated with this, bro. Watch out, bro. What are you doing? Why is he getting pictures of everything, bro? You've been laying me, Jay.